Dance.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! My name is Von Omega. I'm one of the comic trios of Iligan City with Chanmal and Masoy. This is my personal YouTube channel and this would be my very first video na ako ang i-film. Yay! So here it is. So this vlog is all about fun. Lingaw-lingaw lang ta. And then, this would be my first episode for my vlog. So again, welcome to my vlog. Okay. Nangutana mo kung unsa may mong himuon sa imong first vlog. Actually guys, nagibugpog ko kung unsa gyud akong ganahan nga content para sa akong mga vlog. And I have decided nga ako mga content again is all about fun. Actually, when I was scrolling YouTube yesterday, ako mga nakitaan nga mga totropahin or jojowain challenge. Pero, kanina ito himon, nani siya twist, okay? Actually, ang ako ang buhaton is actually a suggestion by my very, very good friend, JP Guidotti, who also have his own YouTube channel. And if you want to subscribe, please do subscribe. Ino niya, Von, why not you will create a content kung asa mangita kang mga picture sa mga gwapo nga taga-Iligan o mamili ka. It's either alak or kape. So, this page nga ako nakitaan sa Facebook, it's actually a page named lcham, Campos Iligan. I don't know if that's the pronunciation of that. This post is entitled Top 30 Handsome BAE in Iligan. So, in other words, mga 30 ni sila kabuok, mga gwapo, spotted in Iligan City. Disclaimer, I haven't met these guys. Maybe there are some. My judgment will be just based sa physical appearance. So, by looking at their picture, I will say kung I'll invite them sa alak or kape. By the way, guys, dili na kay ko pink tonight. Oh, pak. Pero karon ako nakarealize, mura po di ko delivery man sa food panda ani akong gisuot oy. Kulang na ng bag na square sa likod. Manahuli ko, ma'am. I-clarify lang na ko, ma'am. Dapat inyo. Ciao. So anyways, let's start. Okay. So, actually this post is way back 2020, but the page actually shared this post last March 6, okay? Okay, let's start. Yasser Pangandaman. Kapo. Okay, by looking at the picture, I can say that medyo taas siya. Okay? Kasi yung upper torso medyo taas. And gusto ko yung pa-scarf ni Mayor te. Lakas makaalta. And divided chin. That's a plus point for a man. Alak! Up next, Kyle John Academia. I don't know if these are their real names, but I just based this one sa post. So, I love the pouty lips. Shut up. I love the eyes. I love the brows. What I like the most in this picture is young hairline. I love heart-shaped hairlines. Lakas maka Superman. Kape. Kape. Yes, kape. Next. Med Abdel Mogif. Oh la la. Shut up. Eyes are so good. You know, I can see the happiness of him in this picture based sa iyang mata. That smile, half smile bitaw, pero it will catch your attention. I don't know kung makainom ni siyang alak, pero kung if ever, iyang edad, pwede na mainom mag alak, why not? Alak. Next. Ooh! Dimple. Ang dimple. Ang dimple. I love it. Ralph Perez. The dimple. The dimple. The dimple. Flexi Koya ha, sa picture. Happy ang picture. I want to know him more of what type of person he is. Alak. Next. Uy. Lagi, mutanaw ra ko, sir. Ay, gusto ko, please. Mutanaw ra ko sa picture. Is he under 18? I'm not sure. But he's cute. I love the polo. Charot. But, oh, I come. Accessories. Gold. Saudi. Charot. Siguro not kape but hot choco. Para sa baby boy na iyan. Ooh, that smile. That smile, baby. I love it. I love your smile. It's very inviting for a coffee. Siguro I'll choose coffee. Kape for you, sir. Jello key. Familiar. My very good friend Roro Narano is in the list. Ooh, Roro. I know that he is busy sa iyang studies karon. Siguro hindi siya pwede mag-inom, so siguro kape para more energy to study. Diba, Ro? Kirk Anton de Posoy. This is the picture that I am looking at right now. Mura siyang athletic na person. Siguro, I want to know more about this person. We will start siguro by having a coffee. Yeah. Ay! Familiar. Kurt Dinaliso. Yar. Alak. I miss you, my friend. Dan Kemwell Erok Mabano. Wala lang, nag-aalala lang ko, feeling ako tugnaw ang iyang lugar ng gato, ang kagajakit siya. Kaya tugnaw kaayo, kailangan mo itong kape. Sa buntag, alak sa gabi, of course. Pero tinuod lang, he's so cute. I like the hairstyle nga murag bag ulang ni mata. And that eyes nga mawala kay ning smile siya. Plus factor. I love it. Alak sa gabi, kape sa buntag. Vice versa. Uy. Michael Magalasin. Uy. Sir, hello. Kape. Kape. Hangover. Charot. Dili ay. It's fine. Petite. I think. Nakasando si sir. That's good. Kape. Gi, kape. Hala, ginoo ko. Almen Haji Muhaymen. Dong, uy, dako naman kaayo ka, Luy. Bata pa man ka sa una, Luy. Uy, kamusta mo, mama? Alak. Napapangutan alak. Game of Thrones. Taray ng props. Pero, cute. I love that stare, sir. I love that. there. Pero murag isog si sir, kailangan ako siya og istoryahon pa before me magka-close. Nga wala siguro'y influence sa alcohol, so kape. Ooh, baby. Charot. Romeo Perez. Tugnaw na po siya. Pero you look so young, no? Hot choco. Not a coffee, not an alcohol. Hot choco. Hi, sir. Oh, that smile. That picture is something like a portfolio bitaw. Sa ka na bitong mag-apply ka as a model. But yung looks are so good. I love the teeth, guys. That's Aaron Magandia. Oh. Based on looks mo siya classmate ni Harry Potter, no? Lakas maka-European o kuan, lakas maka-Western ng dating. Sabi, ilong ma'am. Sana all ilong. I'm not sure if he is a pure Filipino, but he is so cute. That's Kyle Patrick Villarreal. Kung mainom siyang alak, why not alak? Kung dili, then go, fine. We're gonna have a coffee. John Alfred Oman Dogiles. I love that window full. And that smile facing the golden sun. I love that, John. But we better have a coffee together. Next. Ooh. Wala siya, ganun itong officer sa ROTC, no? Ganun itong maldito sa sulod sa school kay officer, pero buutan pagawas, na siya sa pizzahan. Feel ako, buutan ni si sir kainom, alak, yes. Okay na, sir? Thank you, sir. Oh! This is so familiar. Lester Bastatas. The buddy, baby. I can't resist to invite him. I'll go with alcohol. Alak. Diba? Alak. Oh, the biceps. Love that boy. Oh, the biceps are so... I don't think kung mainom na niya siyang alak, he looks so young. Kape. Or hot choco kung siya mo kape. I love it. I love that stare, sir. I love that mysterious smile. I love that I believe wala ni siya ga-workout, but gikan siya og chemo og something, and medyo gisingot na siya, and that makes him more of a man. Alak. Isang big light lang. Please. Charot. AJ Castillo. Woo! AJ. Alak. Alak. Sean de la Cruz. Ooh. Tungkol sa iyang coat, siguro very formal kasi Sir Sean de la Cruz. We'll start with coffee. Feel ako na siya glasses. Feel ako di siya mainom. Oh. Dancer. Janly June Ong Salomon. Or Salomon. Ooh. Baby. Dancy Rose. I don't know if healthy sa iya mo inom og alak because he is a dancer, but so you will start with the coffee. Ooh. Manager ni sa bangko si sir. Chinese type. Not Chinese, but Asian type. Feel na ko tugnaw sa iyang office. Feel na ko gusto kayong aircon sa iyang office. We're gonna have some coffee. Yeah. Azim Dahamban. Si sir sa picture ba? Kanang bitong, mura bitaog, kanang niuban siya sa barkada or sa family outing, naganahan siya. Kalabit itong mga lalaki nga di kay gusto magpa-picture, pero tungod kay gusto na siya mag-change yung profile picture. Bye picture is ako, bye kay mag-change yung profile picture. Pero pinakalingaw ni siya nga tao, alak. Alak. Uy, Mark Anthony Andalok Taganos. Uy, nakasuot. I love that hair, sir, ha? Ang hair ni Sir, kanina itong prepared siya up until balag magabinan siya. So I think I'll go for an alak for him. Yeah. Oh, beach body. Joel Escala. Oh. Tango ba na? Alak. Donel Ada Umar. I'm not into skinny boys who are wearing skinny jeans with the slicky hair. But the bad boy looking is or will fit for alak, so I'll go with alak. So there you go, the KAPE or alak challenge manata. So again guys, no offense sa akong review or akong content for today. This is just for fun, and then I would like to again to clarify nga wala pa na ako ni sila, or some of them or most of them wala pa din ako nakita in person. I just base my reaction sa picture nga gi-post again sa lcham Campos Iligan nga page. So I hope you had fun. Please do watch out for my second video, and then if you haven't subscribed sa ako ang YouTube channel, please do subscribe. Click the like button and click the bell button for you to be notified for my next videos. Again, thank you so much for watching. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Mwah!